An clár is fearr liom. An maith leat nuacht. Ní maith liom an nuacht, mar tá sé le dránach. Do you like the news? No, I don't like the news because it is boring. An maith leat an circus. Is maith liom an circus, mar tá sé granmhar. Do you like the circus? I do like the circus because it is funny. Cén clár is fearr leat? Is fearr liom clár star, mar tá sé simúl. Which TV program do you prefer? I prefer the history program because it is interesting. An maith leat an cartoon. Ní maith liom an cartoon, mar tá sé páistúil. Do you like cartoons? I don't like cartoons because they are childish. An maith leat an nuacht. Ní maith liom an nuacht, mar tá sé an le dránach. Do you like the news? No, I don't like the news because it is very boring. Cén clár is fearr leat? Is fearr liom clár sport, mar tá sé an simúl. Which program do you prefer? I prefer the sports program because it is very interesting. A hain go dtí sé. Cén clár is fearr le Rory? Cén fá? What program does Rory prefer? And why? Cén fá means why. Ifrido. An maith leis an nuacht cén fá. Does he like the news? Why? An maith leis an circus cén fá. Does he like the circus? Why? Cén clár is fearr le Roisin? Cén fá? What program does Roisin prefer and why? An maith léithí an nuacht cén fá. Does she like the nuacht and why? An maith léithí cartoon cén fá. Does she like cartoons and why?